Lynn and Paul's Excellent Adventure, a 4-year voyage while living on a cruise ship.
So, Lynn, this is the first episode we have ever done from a Ferris wheel.
Yes, it is.
Probably one of the things we would do from a Ferris wheel.
We missed the Ferris wheel in Yokohama yesterday. Well, the last 4 days that we were in port there, because we went to Tokyo, so we didn't have time when we got back to do the one in Yokohama, which was a beautiful one. But this one is just nice. It just overlooks the city.
Smaller, but it's really quite pretty. We are not to the height. It's one of those Ferris wheels that goes very, very, very slowly as you go up.
It does go. It takes 13 minutes.
So the name of the port we're in?
The name of the city that we're in is Suruga, and I apologize if I am mispronouncing that. I am not trying to offend anybody or anything. I'm just trying to go from that. It's in the Suruga Bay, and it's at the foothills. This town is considered the foothills of Mount Fuji.
Yes.
Which we're going to go see tomorrow.
We're going to take a high-speed train and kind of circle around the edge of Mount Fuji.
Well, on that trip, we'll also see probably a lot of the lush green tea plantations that they have.
It's a big tea area.
So it'll be good. They also have wasabi farms.
Yes.
So
probably not my favorite. I'm not a wasabi fan.
More of a agricultural sort of area, right?
Yes.
I would consider that.
And somebody said this was like one of the highest fishing towns too.
Large
Very
fishing
big
community
fishing.
here, big for fishing.
Of course, any of the ports we go to, I guess so, right? They're probably pretty busy for fishing.
There's probably some that are more geared towards fishing than others, but this one seems to be a high fishing area. About a little over 600,000 people in this city. So it's kind of spread out throughout the bay and around. So it's not, I mean, even though it's still pretty condensed, crowded, it's kind of spread out as well.
Yeah, I don't see as many taller buildings like apartment buildings that we've seen other places. Supposedly, I thought I heard someone say you could actually see Mount Fuji from here, but it's quite a ways, so I think it'd be difficult to see. Maybe we can see the tip of it there, and I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But this is the town known for Mount Fuji, and we're going to include you on our little trip. We're glad we could include you on the Ferris wheel. Something a little different. We'll probably do a little poking around the area down below us here, and then head back to the ship for dinner tonight. We're just going to stay on the ship and have dinner and get up in the morning early and catch the train. So
we have to get up pretty early.
Pretty early.
Train. We're going to catch the train at 8:17.
Because we have to be back at the ship by 5.
Yeah.
So have to do that. Well, thanks for coming along with us on our next stop on this Japan journey.
Maybe to the top.
Kanisha will. So it's Mount Fuji Day on our trip here in Japan. And as you can see, we got clouds and rain again. Can't see Mount Fuji, Lynn.
It's right there. It's on the other side of this building.
Right
for
over
sure,
there.
I promise.
This is the Mount Fuji World Heritage Center, though.
It's an UNESCO Heritage Center.
Yeah.
I love the dragonflies.
Yeah,
I'm
these
sorry.
dragonflies here, yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm just enamored by them.
That was a pretty one, a red one. But this is such an incredible place. It's a long story, but I messed up train schedules today, and we kind of missed the train I thought we were supposed to go on. I couldn't find the reserve car. We ended up taking an entirely different train after everything, and ended up here in what's the town is called Fuji. Fuji. And which is fine. It worked out great. We didn't know what to do. We went to the visitor center, and she told us about this wonderful World Heritage building. And as you can see, the architecture of it is just absolutely incredible. But what's even neater is the whole museum highlights the history, thousands of years history of Mount Fuji and what it meant to the Japanese culture.
So when you go in, you actually walk through this cone shape, which is to represent or give you a sense of walking the path up Mount Fuji.
Yeah.
And the projections on the wall are of the scenery that you would see. And there's even silhouettes of other hikers that are hiking up. So it's 197 meters, I think, is
in
what
length
the
inside,
length
yeah.
inside. So when you're in there, you are climbing to the very top, which then when you get up to the top is the observation area to see Mount Fuji.
Yeah, the dioramas that Lynn's talking about are like long projected dioramas as you're going up the path, and you can see your own silhouette on the diorama, which makes you feel like you're climbing up, but you also see silhouettes of other climbers that are climbing up. So it's rather unique. It's one of the most unique museums, I guess, that I've really ever seen. And I think the architecture of the building's unique because you actually use that to go up, as Lynn explained. But if you really look at the building, it looks like an inverted Mount Fuji, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
So
it's architecturally, it's one of the most beautiful buildings we've seen.
Yeah, it really is. It's been quite amazing. Well, we're going to grab some lunch and then go back to the ship. The ship is going to leave.
Find a way to the ship.
Yeah, we got to work that out first.
Yeah.
So we've got roughly, 3-4 hours to get back to the ship. So
Yes.
somehow we're really only like an hour away.
But it takes like 3 hours to get there.
Yeah. So we'll find our way back one way or another. If we miss the ship, then this might be our last show. I don't know. We'll see. We got to get back on. So
Maria said we'd have to swim.
yeah, that's what she said.
We'd have to swim.
She told you that. Yeah.
She goes, don't miss the ship.
So
You'll have to swim.
Better not miss it. So we'll head back, and this will probably be our last chat for this stop here. And we'll catch you. I think Osaka's next, isn't it?
Yes, we're on
Yeah.
our way to Osaka.
That'll be exciting. 3 days there, so that'll be
Yes,
fun.
We'll be there on Monday.
Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for following us, and we sure appreciate it. This has been fun. We're a little probably tired today because it's just been one after another for the last few days, so we'll need a little bit of rest. But
Tomorrow is the sea day, so we'll get to rest tomorrow before we start the new week with a whole new adventure.
That's right. So we'll see you soon.
recording?
I stopped it. I recorded while we were cooking.
It's still blinking, right?
Oh, it is. I guess I'm still recording.